In this video I'll show you how to uninstall OneDrive. So OneDrive is a cloud service which you can back up your documents to the cloud, but after you reach a certain amount of data you have to pay monthly for it. So if you don't want to use it, you'll see down here in the bottom corner of my taskbar it's tried to sync with OneDrive up there. So what you can do in the search bar here, if you just type in control panel, go to control panel and then go to uninstall a program. You might see if this page looks different, you might have to change the category view. Sometimes it comes like that. You click to category view, go down to uninstall a program, and then go down to Microsoft OneDrive there, highlight that and then click on uninstall and then click yes, and it should go through and uninstall OneDrive, and hopefully you won't have that problem anymore. Okay, it's been deleted.